Hello everyone, welcome back to James Marketing Channel. Today, I will show you how to use the MKT software, MKT page, so that we can use multiple of the Fanpage. And we're going to automatically interact. Go to surf the news feed. That's what helps us with our Fanpage. There are operational histories, and it won't be shadow ban when we post those short reels videos. Because that's when the page we're just going to post the video on. It doesn't work like a real person. Go interactive the board, etc. There will be no, it's easy. Squeeze the interaction and post the video not on view. This is the MKT page software. Help us manage and automate to do the tasks on Facebook by Fanpage. Everybody. And we're going to go into that interactive script. And we're going to go to automated page interactions. Let's warm up our pages with these scripts. And I'm going to add scripts here. I've edited some scripts. Here, I already have this script. And we can be interacting with different pages. Work with these main pages. This is interact our main group, or interact with customers UID. Here I will select the section that is interacting with the page. And we're going to go and surf this message board and surfing the news like a real person. Everyone, go see videos and so on. I'm going to set up some of these times. That's 100 to 150 seconds. I'll leave it at 50 to 100 seconds. Right now, I have a few hundred pages. Lots of pages. And we're going to shorten that time. For when we deploy, heat up a page doesn't take too much time. It's like these surfing boards, like these articles. Go through this story or watch these videos. I have already set up here. And then, I'm going to save this script. I'll save it now. And then now I'll be able to select some of these so-called accounts, holding my page. And then, I'm going to auto-feed everyone. Now I'm going to save this script here. And the scripts, in this version, everyone can be automatic personalization according to the need of each person. Once I have the script, I will set it up. For example, this number of concurrent streams, this number of simultaneous runs is equal to the number, account and number of the page runs at the same time. The setup is done. I will now choose my own pages. Let go heat them up. And load these pages. There are about 150 pages here right now. Now I will let the software run automatically, and the setup is very simple. I'm going to start this now. Bye everyone. I'll see you in the next clip.